The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason is a classic book that imparts timeless financial wisdom through a series of parables set in ancient Babylon. Here are 10 lessons from the book. 1. Pay yourself first. Save at least 10% of your earnings before paying any expenses. This principle, often called paying yourself first, ensures that you are consistently building wealth. 2. Live below your means. Control your expenses and live within your means. Distinguish between needs and wants, and prioritize spending on necessities and investments over luxuries. 3. Make your money work for you. Invest wisely to generate additional income. Seek opportunities where your money can grow, such as through investments, businesses, or real estate. 4. Ensure a future income. Plan for the future by creating a reliable source of income for your later years. This could be through retirement savings, investments, or other long-term financial plans. 5. Guard your wealth from loss. Protect your investments by seeking advice from knowledgeable and experienced individuals. Avoid high-risk ventures that promise quick returns but have a high likelihood of failure. 6. Own your home. Strive to own your residence. Home ownership not only provides stability, but can also be a significant financial asset over time. 7. Invest in yourself. Continuously seek knowledge and self-improvement. Education and skills development can increase your earning potential and help you make better financial decisions. 8. Take responsibility for your financial future. Be proactive and take charge of your financial decisions. Don't rely on luck or others to secure your financial well-being. 9. Increase your ability to earn. Focus on developing your skills and knowledge to enhance your earning capacity. By becoming more valuable in your profession or field, you can command higher wages and create more wealth. 10. Seek wise counsel. Surround yourself with financially knowledgeable and experienced individuals. Their advice and mentorship can help you avoid costly mistakes and make informed decisions. These lessons from the richest man in Babylon emphasize the importance of disciplined saving, wise investing, continuous learning, and prudent financial planning. By applying these principles, individuals can build and sustain wealth over time. The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason is a classic book that imparts timeless